So the other day, I received a text. It was from my sister-in-law, and in the text was a viral cottage cheese flatbread. I did not achieve the carnivore cottage cheese flatbread yet, but I did come up with an amazing carnivore spread. And depending on what you allow for seasonings in your carnivore journey, this could be seasoned so many different ways. And you can put it on things like my Parmesan cracker, which is carnivore, or my carnivore pita chip, or even my carnivore corn chip. It would go excellent on all of them. So let me show you this game-changing carnivore spreadable dip. So the first thing we're gonna need is some small curd cottage cheese, and I'm using Highland because the recommended Good Culture brand was out of stock. Now for this recipe, we'll be needing 1/2 cup cottage cheese. Now I want you to notice something about this cottage cheese. Look at how low the moisture content is in it, and that was one of the key reasons for using Good Culture in the viral cottage cheese flatbread. Next, we'll need some egg white protein powder, and we're going to be using 1 level tablespoon of egg white powder. Add it to your cottage cheese, then you're going to take an immersion blender, and guys, it really does need to be an immersion blender to get the smooth, creamy texture you need for this recipe. Now when mixing your cottage cheese and your egg white powder, it doesn't need to be super smooth. You just need to get it mixed up kind of like this. Now we're going to go ahead, place this to the side, and we're going to get out our NutriBullet. Now in your NutriBullet, you want to go ahead and put 1/2 cup diced chicken. Go ahead and get it closed up, and then you're going to give it 1 or 2 bursts. Then a shake, and burst 1 or 2 more times. It should look something like this. Now add the mixture to your cottage cheese mix. Now if you're on keto or not strict carnivore, this is a time when you would add the seasonings you would like. Now notice what I'm doing here, guys. You want to go ahead and push your immersion blender against the sides of the bowl, scooping up the mixture and pushing it back into the blades. You also want to make sure to knock off all the ingredients at the outside edge of the immersion blender. Then continue to mix it until it is nice and smooth. Now it's time to get out one of my delicious keto crackers and look at how smooth this spreads. If you like this video, go ahead and check out my other videos. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.